Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use our Google Play gift card. So make sure to watch this video till end. Now Google Play gift card can be used to purchase applications or subscriptions from Google Play or Google account. You can open up your Google Play Store, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then just go to the option payments and subscriptions. From payments and subscriptions, you can go to redeem code and just make sure to enter the card code that you have in if it is a gift card code. So then tap that redeem option. Now when you redeem it, the balance will get added to your account and you can use it to purchase any subscription. If you want to redeem it another way, you can simply choose a paid application that you want to buy, tap on the buy option, and then all you have to do is simply select add credit or debit card. Just enter your Google Play card number here, tap the save option, and then you will be able to buy it. This way you can use Google Play gift card. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.